You use your keyboard more than almost any other tool at your desk. A bad one leads to typos, hand fatigue, and frustration. A wonderful one makes typing feel effortless and actually enjoyable. Whether you need mechanical switches, quiet scissor keys, or something for long coding sessions, I have tested the best keyboards of 2026 to find out which ones delivered the best feel, features, and durability. Let's get into it. The Razer Pro Type Ultra is the best mechanical keyboard for productivity users who want the satisfying feel of mechanical switches without the loud gamer aesthetic. This keyboard features Razer's yellow mechanical switches, which are linear and quiet, making them perfect for open offices or late-night work sessions. The soft-touch matte finish feels premium under your fingers. The ergonomic wrist rest is plush and magnetic, reducing fatigue during long typing sessions. The white LED backlighting is subtle and professional, not flashy. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you pair with up to 3 devices and switch between them instantly. The battery life lasts for days on a single charge. The dedicated media keys and volume roller are convenient for controlling music and calls. For professionals who want a premium mechanical keyboard that looks and sounds professional, this is the best choice. Check the link in the description below. The Cherry KC200MX is the best entry-level mechanical keyboard for users who want to experience genuine Cherry MX switches without spending a fortune. This keyboard features authentic Cherry MX switches, the gold standard in mechanical key switches. You can choose between linear, tactile, or clicky versions depending on your preference. The robust build quality feels solid and durable, with no flex or creaking. The keycaps are double-shot injection molded, meaning the legends will never fade or wear off. The compact tankulus design saves desk space, while keeping all essential keys. The simple, understated design looks professional in any office. The detachable USB-C cable is convenient for travel. For budget-conscious users, first-time mechanical keyboard buyers, or anyone who wants genuine Cherry quality at a reasonable price, this is the smart choice. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The Dell Premier KB900 is the best wireless productivity keyboard for professionals who want a low-profile, scissor-switch typing experience. This keyboard features Dell's low-profile scissor switches, which provide a satisfying laptop-like typing feel with quiet operation. The slim, sleek design looks modern on any desk. The Bluetooth connectivity lets you pair with up to 3 devices and switch between them with the push of a button. The battery lasts for months on a single charge, and the USB-C charging is fast and convenient. The dedicated shortcut keys for Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and other collaboration tools make it perfect for remote workers. The palm rest is included and comfortable for long typing sessions. The dual-color keycaps make it easy to find the right key in low light. For professionals who type all day and want a premium wireless keyboard, this is a fantastic option. I have linked the Dell Premier KB900 down in the description. The Dell Wired Collaboration keyboard is the best keyboard for remote workers and office professionals who spend hours on video calls. This keyboard features dedicated Zoom and Microsoft Teams buttons that let you mute, unmute, start video, share your screen, and end calls without touching your mouse. The scissor switch keys provide a quiet, comfortable typing experience suitable for open offices. The spill-resistant design protects against coffee accidents. The wired USB connection means no batteries or pairing issues, just plug and play. The slim profile takes up minimal desk space. The adjustable tilt legs let you find the perfect typing angle. For remote workers, call center agents, or anyone who spends hours on video conferences, this keyboard is a productivity booster. Check the link in the description below. The Be Quiet keyboard is the best silent keyboard for users who need ultra-quiet operation for shared spaces, recording studios, or late-night work. True to the brand's name, this keyboard is engineered to be exceptionally quiet, with dampened switches and sound-absorbing materials inside the chassis. The linear mechanical switches are smooth and silent, with no audible click or scratch. The double-shot PBT keycaps are durable and feel premium under your fingers. The full-size layout includes a numpad for data entry. The white LED backlighting is subtle and can be turned off completely. The detachable USB-C cable is braided for durability. The solid build quality has no flex or rattle. For audio professionals, shared offices, night owls, or anyone who needs a keyboard that will not disturb others, this is the best option. I have linked the Be Quiet keyboard down in the description for you. That wraps up the best keyboards for 2026. Whether you want the professional mechanical feel of the Razer Pro Type Ultra, the collaboration features of the Dell Wired Collaboration keyboard, or the silent operation of the Be Quiet, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you find the perfect keyboard for your hands and workflow, hit that subscribe button for more honest tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.